All right, so now we're going to go back in and add more glazing colors over the top. So our first row is done because those are the primary colors. We got red, blue, yellow, done. Red and blue, we finished that. That makes kind of like a purplish color. Red and yellow, done. That kind of makes an orange color. Now it's blue and red. So we should get another purplish color, but let's see what happens and how that purple changes when you have blue on the bottom. Okay, it looks definitely different than this one here where it started with red on the bottom and we layered blue on top. So they look different depending on the order that you glaze in. So the next row, yellow and blue, we'll come back with the blue, yellow and red. So I'm going to take and put some red over the top here. And we know we're going to get an orange color, but how's it going to change? When you put the yellow down first and then put your red over the top. Okay. All right, then the next one, blue and yellow, that one's done because we made green. And then we did red and yellow, and now we're layering red over the top. So we're gonna get a red yellow color, or a red orange, excuse me. So you're just starting to barely see that yellow come through. I mean, it's quite a bit of red. There's just a little tweak of yellow coming through. Okay. All right, then next, red and yellow and blue. So we'll have to come back to that one. And then this one's yellow plus red. So we're going to add some red. We're going to get some orange there. And then eventually we're going to add more yellow over the top of that. And for some of you on this piece of paper, if it helps you to cross off what you've done, that might help some of you. So you go, oh, I already did that one. If you have trouble remembering where you're at. Okay. And now this one is yellow plus blue, so I'll have to come back to that one. This is blue plus yellow plus blue. We'll come back to that. Yellow plus blue. All right, so that row we're leaving. This one is red plus blue. Now we're adding another red, so it's going to be red-violet kind of color that we're creating. So we're adding more red. And then still dipping it in, getting lighter towards that upper corner. All right, then it's blue plus red, and then eventually we're going to add more blue to it. So we're going to get a purpley color, we know that. All right, then blue plus red plus yellow. So we're still going to get a purple color, and then we'll come back later and do that yellow over the top. See what happens there. All right, so this was red plus blue. That one's done. We did blue and yellow, and now we're adding red. So let's see what happens here. Because we're adding all three primary colors again. And remember, it kind of usually is kind of a brownish color. How's this brown going to be different than this one next door? All right, and then this one is yellow plus red plus blue. So we're going to add red over the top here. And dip it in the water and pull it up. All right, so that was our second time going through and now adding red after we did all of our primary colors.